So today we're going to be making the famous Karachi burger. So I'm going to show you how to make it and how to assemble it in a quick and easy way. So let's begin. So I have here some brioche buns which I have cut up already, and I have some Shami kebab which I have made. These are ready made, but I've just warmed them up, and I have pre-made some omelette which I've cut into pieces. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to take the top of the burgers off, and I'm going to be using a this is a sandwich chutney. So I'm going to just add a small amount because this is quite spicy. So we're just going to spread this around. Okay, so next I'm going to add one Shami kebab. Okay, then I'm going to add the egg. So I'm now going to add some red onions.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just going to put these on the side. So the top part of the buns, I'm going to be adding a hot and sweet sauce. This is also a chili sauce, so you can add as much or as little as you like. Just going to spread this with a spoon. Going to add a bit more just to give it that kick. Okay, now I'm going to add these on top. Okay, so I'm just going to add these on top. And our Karachi burgers are ready to serve. So here is our really simple and easy Karachi burger. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thanks guys for watching.